Everyone, in this video we discuss about how to create a post that will be visible by anyone. As we all know, to create a post in using LinkedIn, you first of all have to go to where I circle above, the plus icon. You should go there, and then you have the chance to write the post. Please follow this step by step. Click at that place that is showed anyone. You have to click the downward arrow, click there, and then you will then choose who can see my post. I said anyone. So likewise, that's the same thing I want you to do. So under comment control, go to this arrow here, go to that arrow to control, to comment it, and then go to anyone, click anyone. Like here, now if I click connections only, you will see what will happen then. Where I have the brand partnership, you see what will happen. Okay, but as I was saying earlier, so please go to the downward arrow at the bottom, at the top where it says anyone, at the top where it said anyone. Make sure to click there. And then after clicking there, you will see what happened. This had popped up. I have this as a pop-up here. Here is it. Okay, so now make sure you choose anyone on or off LinkedIn to see your post. As long as you have access to your post, he can access to the link of your post, he can see it. Okay, so please click that place. Okay, because I will show you what will happen then. Now I will choose connections only. This means only those people that have access to your connection, or by being in your list, or by be mentioned by you, followed by you, will be able to view your post. I'll show you an example. I'll click there, and then you will see what will happen to my posts. So my post has changed to connection only. You can see that at the top of the screen, connections only. So this problem will always arise if you do not solve it in this way. So please make sure you have chosen anyone, like how I did it here. I made sure I had chosen anyone who have access to my posts. Anyone, whether you are on LinkedIn or not. If you just type my posts link, you'll see it. Okay, so that is it. Don't forget to comment, say your suggestions, and also like and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, peace.